Hey guys, this is Alex's friend Briar. I do all the filming and editing on these things. I did never want to actually be in the vlog, but I feel like I should. After Saturday's race, I start downloading footage, and I somehow lost the memory card. I know, I'm an idiot. So I don't know how it happened. I spent like 4 hours trying to find it, couldn't find it. So from the morning until Moto 1, I don't have any footage. After Alex got hurt, I switched memory cards and I started filming Jeremy. So I do have footage from Jeremy from Moto 1 on, and that's what we got. Tell me how bad I suck in the comments. Sorry guys.
And Jet Lawrence has an incredibly aggressive line right after the finish line here as he launches
at this point. Miranda still hanging in that number 3 position. Not going to get aggressive right now. Number 6 can make the pass. Miranda's have plenty of points of
if he's able, as we mentioned, to get up inside him, it's going to be an aggressive pass. It would have to be.
I don't know, Derek. I don't remember falling off like that.
Pace-wise?
Yeah. Like getting tired at that pace.
It's not cold, but...
You know?
Yeah.
I was pushing through it. I was trying hard because I know what's on the line.
Yeah.
He locked it up, didn't he?
The way they're acting, yeah, I think so. But 18, 20, I don't think so.
If I could have been closer to him, I would have got him in the back because he made a big mistake.
The pressure you were applying was working because he kept doing stupid stuff.
No, I knew when he got Cooper, I knew I was going to be in for a struggle.
Yeah.
I'm fighting the front end. It's like beating me up today.
On acceleration stuff too? I mean, I kind of feel like the bike squats so much, you're doing what you have, pull it back up.
That's what I feel like, and I bottom on every big hump.
Yeah.
And then my momentum. The only difference between him and me was he got a better start. And he made the move.
You would have been alright, but you jumped right on that table.
I don't know how I saved that, dude.
I don't either.
You're pretty good. It beat me up a little bit before. But, I mean, I don't know, man. I just got beat. I don't know what we really kind of do, you know? So, like I said, the bike was good. It was just, I just didn't get in there, you know? I got close at times, but the times that he made a mistake, I wasn't close enough to capitalize because I'd made a mistake before him, and then he would make one, and then I'd get right back up on him, but I couldn't, like, I wasn't there to capitalize on a mistake. You know what I mean?
Something.
You forget.
Well, just pick one. There's so many to pick from.
There's two.
No, we got Dunkin', you got Columbia, you got French Rose, you got Cream Brulee,
Cream brulee.
we got Mocha over here hanging out. What else do we have?
Honestly, there's only two options: Pike Place and Columbia.
I think I ended up going with the Pike Place.
Actually, no, third option. French Rose.
Alright. I'll give him your number. No, I would appreciate it because
This feels so worthless.
I get it.
I can walk,
I
I just can't ride.
You look like you're faking it.
I feel like I'm faking it right now.
No matter how injured, coffee's still a priority.
I don't know about priority.
I know.
I don't really care if my adrenals are fried right now or not. Dude, you didn't get to wear your helmet, man.
I know. Sorry, Briar.
Dude, it looks
Did
so
all
good.
that. No!
Dang it!
Dude, I retired after Utah for about a month.
Too bad.
I got thick.
You got that dealership bod.
I was full-blown salesman.
Salesman?
Yeah. It was rough.
Back now, though.
Yeah,
in
I'm
business.
back on the grind.
Yeah.
$150.
We do, so you're over 150 for a while?
Yeah.
Attaboy.
I was pretty close to 160.
Dang.
I was a big boy.
Bunch of lightweighters over here.
What are you?
Like 166.
I'm also 5'7".
I think the most I've weighed in my life is 155. In my life. Please, there we go. Which was actually in the off season, like so around Halloween time, and then showed up for A1. I was like 130, so I lost 25 pounds.
Stop eating my candy. At least save a couple.
Just gonna put the trash bag in there.
That many?
Those are good.
How many did you eat?
Like 7 or 8.
Got any words for Jeremy?
Now or never. Jeremiah, send it.
Got a headache?
No. But I'll tell you what. I did a full-on scorpion on the, after the start.
I said they showed it, but I didn't see it.
My back hurts a little from that. Can't swallow pills.
Just chew them. Do a cycle.
Well, if you're gonna be an idiot and you don't know how to swallow, you gotta be tough.
And it continues to be.
Sick gear, bro.
Retro.
Spiderweb.
We got no troll trains on board.
Where's Troll Train?
Broke his leg.
When?
For his second practice.
No. Troll Train heal up.
Troll train's out.
It's not fun.
Oh well.
Don't like seeing anyone out. Should I line up outside of him?
Yeah.
I think that's the move.
And also, change
number 6 of Jeremy Martin.
McElrath's getting defensive right now. Here comes Martin. Martin's not able to
Dylan Ferrandis is just riding at his own pace, letting the race up to him, as well as his championship will be heading his way. For Jordan Garvis at number 301, as he was he's going to fast in the screen by about 8 seconds. Picks up.
increasing the gap each time becomes the champion.
Well, with the bonuses and the fact that he's moving up to the 450 class, Dylan Ferrandis has a bright future in front of him. An outstanding day. The last time up and over the little tunnel jump, he goes, makes the right in front of the signal area.
Jeremy, wait a minute.
Way to go, dude. How's it going, Dylan? Hey, Jet. Jetson.
Big man! Way to ride smart, man. Well, at least I got a moto win, eh? Out of today. Dude, I just put on cruise 15 minutes in.
Yeah. 6-star.
You know, I don't think I get my weakness is I struggle to get by people like this, you know? And they're really fresh at first moto and moto 2. They don't really I mean, they have fight, but... Yeah, buddy. Thanks for everything this year.
Thank you.
Good job, brother. Proud of you, brother.
Thanks for everything, man. Buddy, good job. Not bad. Good job. Congrats. Yeah, good job, buddy. You were gone. I know. I was wondering who got third. What were you off to start?
No way.
Like 6:50. Made it past a couple guys. Good job, man.
I was going to try and take on, and you go, I'm like, yeah, I'm just going to stay back here. You can have it, J-Mo. Well, congrats, second, dude. Freaking, you worked so hard for that. I didn't realize Joe was in third. I thought he was a lapper. I thought you crashed. Sorry, Joe.
You know, I won the second moto, but I tell you what, even if you get second in the championship, you still feel like a piece of shit because the first place is just so much. It just sounds so much better. I got first. Hey, guess what? I got second in the championship. Congrats. Go home.